Welcome. In this video, I will tell you what to do in order to make your OPPO Pad 5 charge faster. First, take a look at your device's charging port and make sure that it's not clogged with anything. If you think that it might be clogged with some dust or debris, then just grab a soft brush and try to clean it from within. Do not use any metallic tools, and also I recommend turning off your device before you do that. And after that, try to charge your device once again. Remember to use the original cable included in the box, and it will work better if you get yourself an original charging adapter as well. Now with the original 33 SuperVOOC adapter that sometimes is also included in the box with the tablet, your device will take as much as 3 to 4 to even sometimes 4 hours to charge fully from 0 to 100%. So if you want to decrease this time, you're gonna need to get yourself a 67 watts adapter, which is sold separately. It's not that expensive. It costs about $10, even less on AliExpress. And to check how which adapter you are using, you're gonna need to take a look at it. Now this is just a random AC power adapter that I found, and as you can see in output data, we can see 15 watts, which means that which is basically the maximum wattage for this adapter, and 15 watts is of course not enough for this tablet. Therefore I'm not using this adapter to charge this tablet. So yeah, just get yourself a better adapter and use the original cable to charge your device faster. And also make sure that no application is consuming your battery in the background. By going to battery, checking these apps that use up the most of your battery. If some application is using suspiciously a lot of your battery, then you can easily turn off its background activity by going to apps, app management, selecting the application, going to battery usage, and selecting restrict background activity. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.